In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Pinterest effectively. Whether you're using it for creative inspirations or learning new skills, Pinterest can be a powerful tool once you get the hang of it. So let's dive right in and make sure you have a smooth experience setting up and logging into your Pinterest account. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like using. Head over to the Pinterest website. You can simply type Pinterest into your search bar or enter the URL directly if you have it on hand. This will bring you to the home page, and from there you should be looking for the login button, typically found in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on this will direct you to the login page. Now, when it comes to logging into Pinterest, you have a few options. You can log in using your email address and a password. If you've forgotten your password, there usually is a handy Forgot Password link you can use to reset it and gain access again. Alternatively, for quicker access, Pinterest offers the option to log in using your Google account. This can save you from having to remember yet another password, making the process a bit more seamless. Lastly, if you happen to have a QR code set up, you can use that to log in as well. This might be particularly useful if you're jumping between devices and want a quick way to sign in without entering credentials manually. Once you've successfully logged in using your chosen method, you're all set. You now have access to your Pinterest dashboard, where you can start exploring, saving pins to your boards, and even creating new ones. From here, Pinterest is truly your oyster. You can dive into an endless sea of creativity and inspiration tailored to your personal interests. Don't hesitate to use the search function to find specific ideas or curate your own collection of boards reflecting your style and preferences. Keep in mind that Pinterest will begin recommending content based on your activity. Thus, the more you interact with pins and boards, the better your personalized feed should become over time. And that's it. You're now ready and equipped to explore Pinterest with confidence. Feel free to experiment with the features, discover new inspiration, and make the most out of your Pinterest account. Thanks for joining me today, and happy pinning.